As long as I can remember, I have loved chocolate pudding. Now, my love of pudding has evolved as my palate and my sweet freedom journeys come along. So here is a chocolate pudding recipe that is sweet freedom approved and is absolutely delicious. The important thing to understand though is that it's avocado based and you want to get good avocados to start with. That's the foundation of your recipe. So make sure that they're organic and that they're naturally ripened. If they're picked before they're mature and ripened with ethylene gases, they're not going to taste that great. You're going to get that funny avocado flavor. But when the avocados are grown properly, it's absolutely delicious. So take 2 avocados, that's what we start with here, and we're going to open them up and scoop out the flesh. Obviously you don't want that pip in there. And make sure your avocado is ripe. You don't want a green avocado for this or one that's hard. So nice to have a nice soft texture, but no black bits in the avocado. And make sure to scoop out all the green goodness that sticks to the skin because you're getting more nutrients, as in you're not leaving anything behind. So now take your avocado and place it into the food processor with 6 tablespoons of raw cacao powder, not Dutch cocoa, but raw cacao powder. And then 4 tablespoons of honey, and if you're vegan, you can use maple syrup with this. So here's something that's really important. If you are going to use honey, make sure it's local, that it's organic, and the bees are treated well. So that means they're not gassed, they're not fed sugar water, they're eating a natural diet, because remember, what they eat, you eat, and if we take care of them, we'll be able to take care of our food sources. And then we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. You can also use coconut cream here. Make sure it doesn't have xanthan gum. So now, so simple, all you're going to do is you're going to start to blend this until it comes together in a smooth, homogeneous, creamy pudding-like texture. And once you're done, just sprinkle in a touch of natural sea salt, which will help bring out the flavors of the cacao and the sweetness. And to finish off, grab a handful of hazelnuts and toast them for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you're going to take a knife and chop them up and have this lovely nutty kind of flavor and texture that's going to contrast with your chocolate pudding. So you're getting that kind of sensation of a Ferrero Rocher with no downside. And so there you have it. This is the chocolate avocado pudding. It's a raw dessert. It's sweet freedom approved. Just pop some maple syrup in if you want to make it vegan. And I promise you, this is a chocolate pudding that every age will love with absolutely no downside. So for more delicious recipes like this that won't spike your blood sugar, are super easy to prepare and absolutely delicious, click the link below to find out more about our 21-day sugar-free challenge.